Hey guys, let's continue. So, as I told you, there are two methods of solving the ODEs, and we have covered the undetermined coefficients. Now, this is the second method. It's called method of variation of parameter. So, for example, you have your equation like y double dash plus a naught y dash plus a1 y is equal to fx. So what you're going to do is, first of all, you're going to find the CF. That part remains the same. So when you find your CF, you are going to get something like yc is equal to c1 y1 plus c2 y2. It's always in this format, right? Your second step is to find something called Wronskian. You don't need to remember this name, just remember it's denoted by W. So the formula for this is y1, y2, y1 dash and y2 dash. So this is a determinant, and as you know, we solve it like this. It's y1 y2 dash minus y1 dash y2. Your next step will be to assume yp as ux times y1 plus vx times y2, where ux is negative integral of y2 times fx divided by w dx, and vx is integral y1 times fx divided by w dx. So you need to remember these formulas, and your final step is the same, y is equal to yc plus yp. So make sure you remember these formulas and this one. I'm sure you already remember the formula for yc and this one. So just make sure you remember ux and vx as well as w. So let's take an example. So the question is y double dash minus 9y is equal to 9 times x e raised to minus 3x. So first let's find the CF. D square minus 9 is equal to 0. Replace d with m. M square minus 9 is equal to 0. So that means m minus 3, m plus 3 is equal to 0. So m1 is 3 and m2 is minus 3. So your yc becomes c1 e raised to 3x plus c2 e raised to minus 3x. Now for your pi, let's go ahead and find w. So remember what I wrote. I wrote that your yc is in the form of c1 y1 plus c2 y2, and you have to take out y1 and y2 over here so you can solve the w. So according to this, if you compare this with c1 y1 plus c2 y2, your y1 becomes e raised to 3x and your y2 becomes e raised to minus 3x. So now for the pi, let's find w. W was y1, y2, y1 dash, y2 dash. So that is e raised to 3x, e raised to minus 3x. Differentiate e raised to 3x, that will give you 3 times e raised to 3x, and differentiate e raised to minus 3x, that will give you minus 3 e raised to 3x. So let's cross multiply. This is minus 3 e raised to just remember there's a minus here. e raised to 3x minus 3x minus 3e raised to minus 3x plus 3x. So this will get cancelled. E raised to 0 is 1. So you'll be left with minus 3, that is minus 6. This is the value of your w. Now your yp was ux times y1 plus vx times y2. Let's find ux. So the formula for ux was minus integral y2 times fx divided by w dx. So this becomes negative. Your y2 was e raised to minus 3x. Fx is your RHS, that is this 9x e raised to minus 3x divided by w, which is minus 6 dx. So all you need to do is integrate this. So this becomes, let me just take out all the constants. This will become minus 9 divided by minus 6 integral x times e raised to minus 6x dx. So this is 3 by 2 integral x e raised to minus 6x dx. Now during integration, remember when you have two parts, 1 and 2, the second one should be the one that is easy to integrate. So e is the easiest term to integrate, so make sure this is your second part. So we're going to use integration by parts here. I'll just write down the formula for those of you who don't know. So integration of let's write fx gx dx is fx integral gx dx minus integral of f dash x times integral of gx dx. So this formula looks very scary, but don't worry, we are going to make it very simple. So basically what you have to do is, when there are two parts, when you're integrating it, first of all, write all the constants outside. You do not need them in the integration because the constants always stay the same. So what you're going to do, integration by parts, you're going to write the first part as it is and you're going to integrate the second. So integration of e raised to minus 6x is e raised to minus 6x divided by minus 6. Now in the second part, what you're going to do is minus. You're going to differentiate the first one, which is differentiation of x, that is 1, multiplied by integration of the second part, which you have already written over here. E raised to minus 6x divided by minus 6 dx. Now you're going to integrate this part again. 3 by 2 x e raised to minus 6x divided by 6 plus, I'm taking out all the constants so it doesn't confuse us. Integration of e raised to minus 6x is again e raised to minus 6x divided by minus 6. So let's write this again. I'm taking out the constants and e raised to minus 6x as it is common. So this becomes 3 by 2 e raised to minus 6x. And you can take out a 6 as well. So this becomes x plus 1 by 6. Cancel this out. E raised to minus 6x divided by 4 times x plus 1 by 6. So we can simplify this a little more. E raised to minus 6x times 6x plus 1 divided by 24. One second. And there's a negative sign. I forgot to add that. Make sure you add it. So this is the value of your ux. Now similarly we need to find vx. So the formula for vx was integral y1 times fx divided by w dx. So this is integral e raised to 3x multiplied by 9x e raised to minus 3x divided by minus 6 dx. So e raised to 3x and e raised to minus 3x become e raised to 0, which is 1. And you can take out the constant 9 divided by minus 6. So you're left with x dx. So this is minus 3 by 2 x square by 2. So your answer is minus 3x square by 4. This is the value of vx. So your yp was ux multiplied by y1 plus vx multiplied by y2. So let's plug in the values. Your ux was minus e raised to minus 6x, 6x plus 1 divided by 24, and your y1 was e raised to 3x, plus your vx is minus 3x square by 4, and your y2 was e raised to minus 3x. So this becomes minus e raised to minus 3x times 6x plus 1 divided by 24 minus 3x square by 4 e raised to minus 3x. So your final answer is y is equal to yc plus yp. So y is equal to c1 e raised to 3x plus c2 e raised to minus 3x minus e raised to minus 3x 6x plus 1 divided by 24 minus 3x square e raised to minus 3x divided by 4. So this is your final answer. This is how you use the method of variation of parameter. If you guys have any doubts, leave them in the comment section. Thank you.